Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing extremely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the Tech Stream. This video is going to be about the latest update of oxygenos 13.1 for the Oneplus 9 series devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, here I have my Oneplus 9 Pro running the latest oxygenos 13.1 build, and if I go into the about info section, you can see that the version is 13.1 and the security patch is April 5th 2023. I have received the OT update for this build, but if you are someone who has not received OT update, you can go into the about info section, tap the build number 7 times and enable developer mode. After that, download the incremental update file and paste it in the root directory of your internal storage. Next, go to the update section on your device, tap on the 3 dots menu, select local install, locate the file that to download it and tap on it. Once the installation is finished, you will have oxygenos 13.1 on your 9 and 9 Pro. Regarding the benchmark results, we conducted the Geekbench test without the high performance mode. In single core, the device scored 1110, and for multi-core, the device scored 3336. With high performance mode turned on, the single core scores were 1261 and multi-core scores were 3151. The benchmark scores are definitely higher than what they were on oxygenos 13.0. Talking about the overall changes of this build, the first changelog is regarding the connection, and it says the new auto connect feature enables automatic connection between phone and tablet in close proximity. That basically says when you are using a Bluetooth device, even if your pairing is off, you will get to see the pop-up for the nearby devices. The next is expanded emoji functionality and library. If I go into settings, wallpaper and style, here you can select always on display and emoji. Now you get new emoji styles and add-ons, and you can configure them with your choice, and they have some added new expressions too. Talking about the next changelog, we have a talkback feature that recognizes and announces images in app and photos. Frankly, I have not used this feature and I don't have much idea about this. Coming up to the Zen mode, now we have two new Zen modes. One is Deep Zen and another one is Light Zen, that allows to focus on the outside world by moving out from the digital world. Next, they have improved simplicity more with a new added helper widget and quick tutorials on home screen if you are using simple mode for the first time. The last changelog is for gamers. They have added the new champion mode for game assistant. They say it will improve the performance while disabling notifications, calls and other messages to give you a more immersive gaming experience. However, I didn't encounter any performance improvements by turning this champion mode on. Also, a music playback control to assist to listen and control music while gaming. That is kind of a useful feature, but any serious gamer will not use it. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down whether you are using this new oxygenos 13.1 or still using custom ROMs. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.